First of all, we have to assign its commission equals to 0. So I'm gonna put commission equals to 0. So once that's done, I want to ask the person, the actual worker, his salary and his sales amount. So salary equals to eval brackets input brackets, then inside the inverted commas, I'm gonna put salary and a dash. So what's happening over here is I'm asking for a salary, which is a variable eval. So as I told in my previous video, eval is used for numerical inputs and input only is used for alphabetical inputs. So both of them combined together is used for numerical and alphabetical inputs. So and his sales amount equals to eval input and then sales. So this is his sales amount. So both of these are assigned, so we'll just take a look at how it works. Oh sure, I put that's fine. So I'm going to open up command prompt. I'll just close this, we don't need that right now. So I'm going to paste it, and as you guys can see over here, it will ask for the salary and the sales. So it's asking for the salary $10,000, sales is 2,000. So then the program is fully off, so because that's all for the program. So we're gonna put a if condition. If sales is greater than or equals to 10,000, then commission equals to salary into 25 divided by 100. We cannot put 25% because it will give a syntax error. So else, if it is not greater than or equals to 10,000, else if sales is greater than or equals to 10,000, commission equals salary into 25% divided by 100, and his new salary will be commission plus the actual salary. So that's his new salary, his actual commission plus his normal salary. If it's not greater than or equals to 10,000, so commission equals to salary into 10%. So 10 divided by 100, it's actually into that mark. So after that, new salary equals to commission plus salary. So once that's done, you want to get out of the loop. So the way you do it is when you're actually in the loop, it's just indented. So that's what you call, if it's like away from the actual line, you make sure it's not in the loop, and then you put print. So the print will actually work even if this does not work. So print your new, wait, why is it working? So actually we should print your new salary is and then the actual value. So I'll just show you how it works. Like you put your new salary is, then after the parentheses you put a comma. Like I'll just show you your new salary is, then you go out of the inverted commas because we want to assign something and we want to output that. So comma after the inverted commas, then new salaries. Now save it, it's gone. So after you do that, so you right click, copy file path. So the way this actually works, let me just explain this for a second. It says is greater than 10,000, obviously you guys know this. So the print, this thing is really confusing so for you guys, so I'm already into it. So your new salary is command new salary. So copy file path, I'm gonna go to command prompt, paste it. This is how it works. It will ask for the salary, so I'm gonna say 20,000. Sales is we'll just say 20,000. So your new salary is 25,000.0. It's actually, so the sales amount is greater than 10,000, so 25% commission. We'll see if it's not. So salary will say 20,000, sales will say 5,000. So you guys can actually see the particular difference. So that's about for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did enjoy, please click on the thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. And also subscribe. Bye.